Hi, this is Tipin again. We are back. A dinner without a dessert is incomplete. Today, we are going to prepare a dessert for you. A mixed fruits from the can. We have the fruit cocktail. We drain it. And look at that. We have a pineapple, but this pineapple was a little bit bigger, so we have to cut it in half. Also, we drain it. And we have the apple. Two or three apple, fresh apple, but this is a peeled slice, and we mix it. Yeah. Now we have the sour cream. Mix it good. Now we have the condensed milk. We only put half a can of the condensed milk because fruits, sometimes they are already sweet. Mix it thoroughly. Now we are done. And later on, you could add some fruits, whatever you desire, whatever is your favorite fruits. And this will become your creativity. It's yours. You could tell your friend that you have made a real dessert. Let me taste it. Smell so good. Perfect. As I said, later on you could add some fruits that you really want, and that this will become your creativity. Thank you so much. And you could tell your friend that you have created a dessert. Thank you very much. See you again.